Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Pittsburgh 12-ton heavy-duty industrial hydraulic bottle jack. The maximum height is 16¼ inches. The minimum height is 8¼ inches. The base dimensions are 5 3/8 by 5 1/4. Okay, you got the poles that you put together to make it work. You've got the jack unit itself. You put the pole in here to make it go up and down. You can also adjust the height here with the screw top. This is the screw top fully extended. Take the top off of these to get your two poles. You attach the two poles like this into. Okay, this is the jack fully extended with the screw top and the top that comes up with the jack portion. To release it down, you stick the crimped end of the pipe on there and you turn it counterclockwise. This unit worked well holding up the strut and strut support while I replaced the front struts on our Honda CR-V.